Do you feel the vibes?
Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I like to show you guys how to install Android X86 on a PC. For this I'm gonna use Bliss OS. And you need a USB flash drive and Rufus application. First I'm gonna create a new partition for Install Android. Then let's go download files we need. Go to the Bliss OS website and download section. I recommend to download stable version. And then go to the Rufus website and download the application. Now connect your USB drive and then open the Rufus. Click on small icon look like a CD-ROM. Select the Bliss OS ISO file you download before, then click on Open button. Now click Start button to create a live USB. After finish the process, close the application. Now restart your PC and boot from USB. Select Install to hard disk. Select the partition you want to install Android. Select Do Not Format. Select Yes to install the GRUB. Select Yes to create boot entry for Windows. Select Yes for create system read-write. Select Yes to create the data partition. Now enter how many megabyte of data partition that you want. I'm gonna create a 10 GB data partition. After finish, reboot the PC and remove the USB flash drive. Boot into Android. From there it's like a set up a new smartphone. Connect to a network, add your Gmail and password, read and accept few stuff. And you all set. Enjoy Android on your PC. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.